Good morning, America. Jacob.Boyd here with Guaranty RV Supercenters in Junction City, Oregon. I want to talk to you today about this 2021 Heartland Sundance 221 RV. It is a 22-foot and change floor plan, 25-foot overall. Packs a lot inside that it was a little bit surprising for how spacious it feels as well. It's just a hair over 5,000 pounds dry. A lot of versatility for the interior, a lot of great features that are packed inside as well as outside, and a lot of great value for something that can be pulled by like a lot of vehicles. Now what you have here is a nice fiberglass siding and an aluminum frame. They've added some nice features over this past couple of years with the push button stabilizer jacks. Really makes it saves your arms and some cranking to once you get into camp. Great pass-through storage right off the tongue. Solid steps as well. You have a huge opening for your door, outdoor speakers, and an awning that's going to go across almost the entire length of the trailer. There is an articulating arm on the rear that can house an outdoor grill. So you can really make use of the outdoor space just as much as the indoor space. Now, the indoor space is definitely where this one shines, and let's get inside and walk through some of the features. Now, what you have featured here is the most counter space you're going to see in pretty much any rig of any size. A huge bank of counter space and a nice peninsula kind of bend to it as well. That peninsula bend allows you to have stuff on the countertop that's not going to conflict with kind of use of that countertop space. Huge farm sink, stainless steel as well. Great windows all the way around on either side of your slide out. Now, in the previous iterations of this slide out, they have had a U-shaped dinette that didn't really offer you a lot of extra seating options except for if you wanted to remove the table. And now this, I think, is the smarter design for it. They have theater seating with a post that can actually be added in between to make sure that you can actually get a really nice tabletop there that swivels and adds a lot of versatility while giving you recliners at the same time too. And those recliners face directly onto your television. It's a great television, a big size television on an articulating arm that can move kind of so that if you're making use of the countertop space, you can face it in that direction. If you're sleeping in the bed, you can face in that direction, as well as it just facing directly onto your theater seating too. And in the slide out, you have windows on every single side of the slide out. That's not always the case. That means that when you're sitting there too, you get a line of sight in any direction all around you too. And in the bed space, it's a big continuous space here, but it does feel like it's divided by essentially a half wall at the very end of the kitchen countertop. And that half wall adds a little bit of division of space, but also there's a curtain that can give you some privacy in there too. On either side of the bed, you have big closet hanging spaces as well. Some great reading lights over top the bed, as well as overhead storage too. And that's in addition to the storage that's underneath the bed on an articulating arms there too. You have your cross breeze windows on either side of your bed too. It's really nice. Now, what I think the greatest feature about this too, just to get back to the kitchen space, is the amount of storage. You have cabinets, drawers, plus right next to the door there's pantry space, there's closet space, really versatile use there. You can really pack a lot into this trailer and take it in a lot of different places, not only because of its size and its weight, but also because of the stuff you can take around and kind of the journeys you can take that onto as well. You have a big fridge and on the back rear corner, so that doesn't take up too much space, and it keeps things bright. If you put a bathroom across the entire rear, you're really cutting off options for a rear entry as well as a lot of windows that are in that space as well. Now your bathroom, a nice booth shower, as well as a nice vanity in there too. If you have any questions about this 2021 Heartland Sundance 221 RB or any other rig we have on lot, drop on by for a tour and say hello. And again, my name is Jake, or drop me a line, 773-655-7190. Talk to you soon.